strange manner. Here's what happened when the police arrived.
Did you call about a female getting punched?
Yeah.
Did you actually see it?
Yeah. So I was in my office and I was just looking at the camera and I just see like they are fighting. So I just revise the camera and I see that like the guy come out from the room and he's just trying to punch her. He tried to like he just hold his neck and
Hold her neck, yeah.
Yeah, and after he just push her and punch on her mouth, and he have a dog too, so he tried to hit the dog too.
Oh, he tried to hit her dog too?
Yeah. So you want to see the camera first before you go in the room?
Or
you just... Because I'm not sure like she gonna be safe in the room or not. So I asked her, like, you need a help because she was crying and she was talking on the phone, and I asked her, if you need any help, you want to call somebody? And she said no, but like her tooth was bleeding.
her mouth was bleeding? Okay. Yeah, we'll go up there and talk to him real quick. Thank you. How you doing? Switchboro Police Department. We got a call about a female getting punched in the mouth.
Who called you guys?
The front desk.
Oh, stop.
Can we talk to you for a second?
Yeah, can I grab the room key?
Yeah. What happened?
Nothing.
What's
Nothing.
that?
I just got off work.
You just got off work?
Yeah.
You didn't get punched in the face?
No, I just got back.
So you didn't get punched in the face? You've no one here in the room with you?
It's just my dog. I mean, that's it.
So the desk lady's just saying that female in 312 just got punched in the face and choked, and a male trying to hit her dog too?
Yeah, I don't know.
They do have cameras downstairs.
Yeah, they have cameras. She said that's what she's seen.
Oh, he's a white guy? Okay. You guys don't have any information about him then?
No.
Okay. So if he's inside, we just need to talk to him.
He's not inside. It's just me and my dog. He left.
He left?
Yeah, he went out that door and left.
Okay. Do you want to do anything about it at all? Can I get your name? It's up to you. I mean, you don't have to tell us the name, but I mean, any reason why you don't want to give us the name? I mean, did he hit you or no? No? Okay. Is it your boyfriend?
My husband.
Oh, your husband. Gotcha. Okay. Is he driving or no? Or did you guys drive? Or did you drive here?
I drove here.
You drove here?
I'm the only one with license.
Okay.
Here's the thing, that if the hotel says that they don't want him here because of it, we're going to have to...
He's gonna have to leave
He's going to have to leave.
because the room's in your name.
She informed the police that her husband was intoxicated.
Do you want? I mean, if they say it's okay for him to stay, do you want him to stay in the room with you?
Yeah, it's fine. He's just drunk right now. So, he can't really hold his liquor.
Okay.
I was at work, so like I don't know how many beers or anything he had. I was at work. I just got off.
Where you work at?
Family Dollar in Oakwood.
Came down real quick. Gotcha.
What's going on, man? Hey, just stop walking right there for a second for me. Stop walking for a second. Yeah, keep your hands out of your pockets for me. What's going on? All right, just stay there then. We can talk. We can talk about it in a second. Just stay.
Ain't no talking about it.
Just.
I got a warrant 3, felony warrant. I'm going to jail. All right, that's what it is. You ain't got to shoot me so rough.
I know, man.
I put down on my knees. All right, I know what's up, man.
Yeah, I'm just. You're being cool with me. I'm trying to be cool with you. You know.
Right, I'm just trying to be cool with you, man. Because I got an F3, felony warrant for domestic violence. But did you see what the dog did to her? And you see what she did to me, right? That's what I'm saying. And that's my wife, so I stay with her. And then now
52-500. I have one male detained.
Can I please smoke a cigarette before I go? That's what I'm asking.
Well,
I was cool with you, man.
No, we can work on that.
All right, she got my cigarettes, she got everything. I just want to smoke a cigarette before I go to jail.
Okay.
All right. I wasn't trying to hassle or nothing. I got down on my knees.
You're being cool.
Seriously, man. Every time I get drunk or I drink, this is how she acts, bro.
Okay.
All right. And look, literally, you see my inner forearm? You see my inner arm?
Yeah.
That's what she was doing to me when the dog. And that's how I got out of it. And I was working, trying to get her a spot to live.
Okay.
But every time I even want to drink a couple beers or anything, man, that's how she acts. But literally, you see my inner forearm? You see my, right here. No, the inside.
Okay.
He confessed that there was a felony warrant issued in his name.
It's sitting there trying to attack me first, but I got a felony warrant, so I'm going to jail regardless. That's why I didn't resist or nothing.
Copy. You can hold off for now. We might have our own charges. All right.
Can I stand up? Because my knees
Yeah,
are bothering me.
Yeah, go ahead. Stand up.
If you want, we can even go sit on
Yeah, yeah.
sit on the curb here.
Because look, you see what she tried to do? See these right there? They're right there? These scars on my knees?
Go get my cruiser?
Yeah,
I smoke a cigarette before I get locked up there.
Hey man, if you stay cool with us, I mean, we might
I'm saying cool,
yeah.
man. Like,
I'll go grab mine.
did I run?
No, you didn't run.
You didn't even know that was me until I got down on my knees, man.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it looked like you on the video, so that's,
I mean, yeah, but look, you don't know what's going on between me and her, so it's cool, man. I'll take the charge.
And that's why I wanted to get your side of the story. That's why I came
Man,
and found
listen,
you.
I cannot tell you other than what's on the video. Period.
Okay. So what exactly happened then?
All right, she goes in the room, and then she's cool with me when we go to the store and got a sandwich and everything. I got a sub wrap, she got a salad, whatever. We're in the room, and then her cousin calls, and then she wants to like secretly hide it and shit. Like, okay, so is that your cousin or is not? I don't know. It's a jealousy thing. Okay. I'm in the wrong, I guess. I mean, I'll literally seriously tell you, like, I'm drunk, and this is what happens every time I get drunk.
Okay.
She'll make it my fault. I got an F3 felony warrant and everything else, man. I'm telling you, just let me smoke a cigarette before I go.
We just talked to her. She doesn't want to press charges, but at this point, what we see on the video.
Okay, I mean, it is what it is, but I just want to smoke a cigarette before I go, man. Like, I'm not trying to fight you. I got down. You didn't even know it was me at first. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, I just want to smoke a cigarette before I go, man. Because I know I'm going to be going for years. Not months, but years.
What's your felonies for?
Domestic violence, but you know how many I got? 5.
Domestic violence?
I got 1 against her.
Okay.
She got 3 against me. But my 1 against her, literally you're trying to charge me for every 2 years. I got 1. I already got 5. Or I got 4. So they're trying to charge me every year, like 2 years every time I got 1. You know what I mean? I don't know if you know what I mean or not, but they're trying to give me 5 to 10 years for it. For this 1. And literally, it's none against her. She got it against me. Bro, I'll protect myself. Yeah. You see what I'm saying?
Did she just get home from work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she just got home from work and started tripping on me, man. When because her cousin calls her from prison, okay? She got a couple other dudes that calls her from prison too, okay? So I said, if it ain't your cousin, so why you gotta why you gotta mute it? Why you gotta do this? Why you gotta do that? You see what I'm saying? Like, why you gotta hide it? I don't know. I guess this jealousy thing got invested in me, bro. I'm not trying to resist. I'm not doing nothing. I just want to smoke a cigarette before I go to. All right, because I know for a fact I'm going for a long time.
Okay. Well, we can work on that, but
that's all. I didn't resist or nothing, man.
Your cuffs are a little messed up.
I know, man. Like my hands about to get numb again.
Yeah. So
because I got nerve problems from the last time I got cuffed with her. Like I got nerve problems. Both of these fingers right here.
Yeah.
Both of these pinky and the other one are still numb because of it.
He continued to ask the officers for a cigarette.
Nothing on you, nothing in your pockets?
No, man. Can you go get a cigarette off of her? Or
right
something
now,
so I could try to smoke a cigarette before I get locked up? I didn't resist or nothing, did I? You can ask him, man. I got that on my hands.
I know right now we're trying to figure some things out, so right now we're just going to have to wait.
Things out is I'm about to get arrested. I got warrants, I got this, that, and the third. I just want to smoke a cigarette. That's it, man.
Nothing in your waist.
Oh, man.
No. We'll just sit in the back of the cruiser for now.
Yeah.
Last time I heard that, I didn't get to smoke a cigarette, man.
We can't. Our policy is hands have to be behind your back.
Oh, I mean, my hands could be on my back if I smoke a cigarette. Like, shit, I can smoke a puff at the same time, man. I literally just want to smoke a cigarette. That's all I want to do, man.
Okay.
Because I already know I'm going to jail for a long, long time.
Okay, just sit tight for me real quick, okay?
Okay. Well, that guy's not gonna come back tonight, so he's gonna have to take a ride with us. Are you guys able to email that video,
Okay.
or how do you usually give it to us?
Email.
Email. Okay. Can you just send it to that email on that card, rmiller@streetsboropolice.com?
The Miller's. Okay.
Yep. Just whenever you get the chance. Okay, and then we'll go tell her.
I told you what I was going to do, bro. Hopefully I bleed to death. Because that's what I'm doing right now. Hopefully I bleed to death. Yup. Yup. Hopefully I bleed to death. Take me down there. Hopefully I bleed to death. Hopefully I bleed to death. Let me bleed to death. I want to die. I bet I can leak out faster than you can get down there. I bet. You want to test me? Go ahead. I want to kill myself. Do you understand that? Let me out. I'll make you shoot me, dude. I don't give a Watch. Let me out. I'll make you shoot me, dude. Before I did, that's why I got a felony warrant. But right now I didn't. That's why the dog get hurt, not me. But I'm tired of it. I just want to die, bro. Die. Give me over to all this other bro. Let me die. That's what you need to do, bro. Let me die. When I gotta afford a place to live, they cover my head, bro. And then try to support her and all this other She's supporting other dudes. That's what it is, bro. I don't give a bro. I don't give a bro. I guarantee I'm gonna kill myself tonight. Put me in jail, I'll kill myself. I'm done over with this dumbass, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I'm over with it.
Suddenly, the man began banging his head aggressively on the partition.
Stop. Stop. Hey! I'm gonna kill myself!
Stop!
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 I'm gonna kill myself! Stop! I'm gonna kill myself! Stop! Stop! I'm gonna kill myself! Stop! I'm gonna kill myself!
Stop!
Stop living! I'm gonna kill myself! Stop! I'm gonna kill myself! Stop! I'm gonna kill myself! I'm telling you, I want to die, bro! I want to die! Shoot me! Shoot me! Please! Shoot me! Stop! Shoot me! Stop!
Stop, dude.
Shoot me, dude. Shoot me.
We're not gonna shoot you.
You don't want to let me sit around. I just want to die, man.
Take a couple deep breaths.
Well, that's what it is.
Just a couple deep breaths.
You know I got asthma, right? You guys don't know that?
No, we don't know
Nope.
that. We're trying.
That's why I want to die. That's why I'm trying to set myself in an asthma attack. Hopefully I do.
Hey! Hey!
Shoot me, dude.
Nope.
Shoot me.
Not gonna happen.
Kill me.
Hey!
Kill me.
Nope.
But you don't even want to realize, huh? Y'all don't want to realize, huh?
That should.
Ativan, right?
Should knock 'em
I'm
out.
allergic to Ativan. Okay, I'm sure y'all didn't. I almost died, bro. Whatever, dude. Try to kill me then. Try to kill me. That's what I wanted to be anyway. Like, come on, man. My hands are hurting.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, my God. My hands are hurting, bro.
We're gonna get you. Just gotta calm down.
Oh,
man.
my God. My hands are hurting, bro. They're killing me, bro. I'm sitting on them. I'm not even on the seat, dude. That's what... Ow! Ow!
Stop.
That's what I'm saying. My hands, dude. I just want to sit up. I'll go to jail, bro.